Hello. It's your friend Alex and Marissa. We're back on the trail, headed to Lake Artemesia in Maryland, US, on a Saturday afternoon. And I figured it's a nice place to share. I don't know where I thought I was going. Oh, there's no opening on that side, huh? I feel like we did this once. I know we walked here before, but I don't think I have it on camera. Just photographs. Yeah, it feels good. Hmm? Yeah, before. We always go this way. Should we go this way this time? Or you want to go to the left?
It's up to you.
Okay. Yeah, let's go to the left. Yeah, we've arrived at Lake Artemesia in Greenbelt, Maryland.
In a little bit. All right.
We're on a walking trail. It's a walking and bike trail. On the East Coast in the US. And actually, friends, we're about 2.5 to 3 hours from the true coast. This is a lake in a metropolitan suburb, about 15 to 20 minutes from the Washington, D.C. line. So one side is the lake, there's the path ahead, and then there's the wilderness. Yeah. When we get to a vantage point, I'll try to zoom in for you. Hi. I should maybe speak up louder. This tree has some fruit on it. I'm not sure. Is it a peach tree? I think it is. Got some small fruit on it. Wow. We won't be picking them. Pick them, eat.
No, well, I did tell her. I was just like, I see dry.
It's nice. It's like a nice getaway. Like, it's not that far from all the, I don't know, the city feel. But when you get down here, it's so calm. It's really peaceful. So friends, hopefully my camera battery will last all the way around, but we'll just go. We're gonna walk all the way around, I think, and I'll record as long as the camera allows. This is nice because we're catching the end of the summer. Still green. It'll be nice to come back in the fall too. Yeah, I know you would. You can hear a metro train approaching all the way across. Maybe you'll see it come into view. A reminder that we're still inside the Beltway. There's some people coming, and then when they, oh look,
Sofía, no miran la gente, Sofía. Sofía, para allá, para allá. Sofía.
so cute. Oh my goodness, she's so cute though. Did you say some stuff? Did you say I'm stressed? It's yeah, sometimes as moms or parents or adults managing small children, it can be stressful, but I have been there and done that. Look at these tall, reedy plants. This is the kind of thing that would inspire like a watercolor painting. So pretty. I'm taking in the sounds too. Now there is a regular train. What do you call that train? I can't think of it either. It's a train that carries. It's escaping me, but you guys know. It's not a passenger train. It's one of those obvious words, and I can't think of it. The lake is looking big. Do not go in or on water. And it says there are wood ducks. They live in bottomland forests, swamps, and freshwater. Lunch? I feel like I just brought the breakfast. It smells good over here. I don't know what plants they are, but something was smelling so nice. Here's Rissa. Hey, darling. Rissa is the one that gets me out of the house most weekends. I appreciate that. And actually, I'm feeling pretty good. I don't want to think about it too much, but my leg is not bothering me right now. Look at that. So pretty. I could, I'm not going to take photos. It makes me want to draw, sketch, and wash with the watercolors. And I don't know if these are bamboo sprouts, saplings.
I don't really bring like nice clothes. I mean, it's not too wet or something.
It doesn't look like the place for bamboo, but it does look like it could be. I don't know what those plants are. The sound of the birds. And they put the fence up to keep the deer from coming out right there. See, sometimes the camera goes in and out of focus when I switch. Some people on skates. Did they pass us before? They came all the way around. That is good. Wow, imagine, I can't imagine what my legs would feel like.
We also did it in the city, and I went up the tram line.
That's cool. They're skating, roller skating or rollerblading. There's a convenient trash receptacle. Keep the park clean. Haven't really carried anything to throw away. We have our bottles of water. It's nice how they keep it trimmed along the edge of the path, the edges. And there are some benches spread out along the way. I heard the sound of a sporting event. I think the University of Maryland has a game today, a football game. I think it's the first Maryland Terrapins home game of the season. Tony was thinking about going.
I wish I could get out and do this one.
Every day? Oh, yeah. I don't know. I haven't heard a bird like that one. Yeah. Yeah. We're far from the university, but I can hear the announcer. Oh, hi.
She's
Hello.
She just wants to sniff.
Hi.
Come on.
Can I put her on camera?
Oh, yeah.
Hi.
You can also pet her if you're
Here.
into it.
Well, hello. Nice to meet
Her
you.
name is Lily. She's a Labradoodle.
Oh, have a good afternoon, all of you. Labradoodle, Lily. Huh? Yeah, guys, I was brave. I'm not usually up close with dogs, but that dog was quite friendly. But as I was saying, we're far enough from the University of Maryland, but I can hear the sports announcer across the water from somewhere way across. It's like he's like, we got a 49-yard field goal. And look, guys, do you see the flowers on the lily pads? They're lily flowers, right? I can't get down close this time. And this is not the same lake. Last time we were at Buddy Attic Lake in Greenbelt. And we're still in the city of Greenbelt, but this one is, what's this lake called?
Lake Artemesia.
Lake Artemesia. Yeah, it's a few miles difference. So pretty out. And it's not sunny. It's nice. Hello. I'm pausing. Marissa gets some photographs over the way. More skating. Let's continue along the way. There's more benches. I see a bridge coming up. It looks like there's something over there. Is that where the Paint Branch Park is? I wonder. Yeah. Interesting. Could be the one. One of my good memories was being here, walking around this lake with Marissa, my daughter, and my mom, and my aunt, my mother's sister. Was anyone else with us that day? I don't know. Oh, I think my sister was also with us. That was a good day. Oh, look at people on the bridge. Can you see the bridge? Yeah. We can continue. Oh. And then I see, like, this looks wild, just natural. But there's also a bridge through there. My face is getting moist. Oh, here comes some fast riders. Let me get over. Look at them go, look at them go. Zoom, zoom. They were getting it. Zoom, zoom. On the bicicleta. I hear the marching, or I don't want to say marching band, but I hear the drum section of the University of Maryland band. go Terps. I know we're gonna take the shortcut, right? Or not? You wanna go all the way around? Then we did go that way one time and we sat down to take a break. Okay. Okay, let me just take a picture or a view from this bridge. Ooh, let's go see the snapping turtle. Oh, that's a big one. Wow. Thank you. There's a snapping turtle, guys. In the water. He's like... There's more than one. There's several. See him now, but there was a really big snapping turtle. Guys, on the lower branch, the butterfly. Are we supposed to go that way? All right.
Like almost Peloton-esque. They're like.
This child is making me rise to the occasion with my exercise goals, my non-declared exercise goals. Look, guys, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's like multiple ways to go, but we'll go this way. It's a blessing to be able to do this. Look, if we had kept out there, we could have seen that pagoda over the water. There's somebody in it right now. That's pretty nice. I don't think it has seats in it. If it did, you can imagine like sitting and, I don't know, doing some nice activity or bird watching. The first flurry of leaves are starting to fall. Football game sounds kind of exciting. There's a shimmer over the water. And from this point, we can see how this lake is really big, because we didn't even walk on this side yet. But there's this whole other section. It just goes on Turn on. So when the weather's right. Yeah. Because if it's too hot, no can do. No can do. But on a day like today, it's conducive. Look at these are pretty purple.